ॐ नित्यानन्देश्वर महासदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, participants of this beautiful program, Signs of Inner Awakening. Understand, the program originally started when I started speaking. From the day I started speaking until now, whatever I have revealed it to the world, I have condensed everything and brought the essence and sharing it with all of you through this program, Signs of Inner Awakening. Understand, the course involves literally the essence of everything I have delivered, starting with the signs of 7 chakras, signs of 7 bodies, signs of Panchakoshas, signs of 3 states of consciousness, then the signs of 5 bhavas, means Ananda Spurana, Nityananda Spurana, Shakti Spurana, Atma Spurana, Bhava Spurana, all the Spurana series programs, and the Nityananda Yoga with Shastra Pramana, Apta Pramana, Atma Pramana, and the signs of unclutching and signs of completion, signs of Panchashila, 5 fundamental principles: completion, authenticity, integrity, responsibility, and enriching. Signs of power manifestation, signs of manifesting powerful cognitions, ultimately now signs of Aushadha. Understand, this whole thing put together is signs of inner awakening. If I have to put it in nutshell, for all of you to grasp, understand, state of Sadashiva. State of Sadashiva is Nirvikalpa Samadhi, unclutched space, complete completion, Purnatva, Sahaja Samadhi. Achieving complete completion through various methods, techniques, and achieving complete completion with others. From the space of completion, operating with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching. From the space of integrity, functioning. And making whatever you want as reality in day-to-day life. Then, from the space of complete completion, Purnatva, experiencing oneness, cosmic oneness, oneness with Sadashiva. From that oneness manifesting all the powers. It is like whatever I have shared till now, I am taking the essence without losing single truth. Adding it properly, arranging and organizing properly. So that you can enjoy the whole program. If you are new to what I am teaching, this program will be the literally feast for your soul. It is introduction to Sanatana Hindu Dharma. I should say literally, science of Sanatana Hindu Dharma. And if you already listen to my satsangs and teachings, this will be the essence of whatever I am teaching. So, you don't have to worry you missed something in the past. You missed watching some satsang, some program. You may have the feeling, oh, I attended inner awakening, but I missed living enlightenment process. Oh, I attended living enlightenment process, but I missed some other program. I missed Shivoham process. I missed Nityanandoham process. I tell you, all that problem is solved. I have finished all this problem once for all in one stroke. I am solving all these problems. People feeling, I missed this, I missed that, I missed this, I missed this. By introducing this program, Associate Degree in Science of Inner Awakening, I am giving you essence of everything I have spoken. Understand? If I have to introduce this associate degree in Science of Inner Awakening, literally I have to introduce everything I have spoken. Whatever I have conducted, Ananda Spurana, Nityananda Spurana, Bhakti Spurana, Bhava Spurana, Shakti Spurana, Atma Spurana, Aham Spurana, and living Shuddhadvaitam process, living Sadashivoham process, living Shivoham process, LSP, LSSP. Now almost 43 inner awakenings. And Shivoham process and Sadashivoham process and Nityanandoham process. Whatever I shared in yatras, Kailash Yatra, Cambodia Yatra, everything I am consolidating and presenting it to all of you through the science of inner awakening. You are going to have live sessions with me, and I will also be giving you precise selected few of my satsangs for you to watch and do homework. And then you are going to have Mahasadashivoham processes with me, and I am also going to open the live inner awakening sessions, selected live inner awakening sessions to all of you. And I am going to open the live Sadashivoham sessions, selected live Sadashivoham sessions, and selected Nityananda Yoga sessions, and initiation into power of depth dimension. You are going to have initiation without moving from your bed. Without moving from your bed, wherever you are, I'll be there to giving you initiation. You can experience signs of inner awakening. You will move any object you want without moving from your bed. Understand? Power manifestation served in your bedroom. I don't think enlightenment can get any better or any easy anymore. And now with this Aushadha, it will be just couriered to your home. Enlightenment pill couriered. You don't even need to go to Himalayas and Kailasa. It reaches wherever you are. And understand, this whole sacred secret science, Raja Vidya, Raja Guhya Yoga, royal secret, which is royal knowledge, the Gupta Vidya, Raja Vidya, Raja Guhya, was preserved in the form of this banyan tree, Kalpa Vriksha, which is in the Gupta Kailasa, Bididi Kshetra, protected by Munishwara and Kalabhairava. Now, it's getting revealed to the whole world in the form of multiple programs, multiple processes. All the programs, classes, processes, sessions, everything, the essence I am condensing in this one program called Science of Inner Awakening and sharing it with all of you. You will be receiving essential, all the spiritual alchemy products, essential Sadashivoham, Nityanandoham, Shivoham sessions, essential Aushadas. Ultimately, I commit with all of you, all the participants of Science of Inner Awakening, I commit with you guys. It's my responsibility that you achieve the state of Sadashiva. You function in the space of Sadashiva and you manifest powers of Sadashiva. And I commit with you all, I will make you manifest state, space and powers of Sadashiva. Rajavidya Rajaguhyam Pavitram Idamuttamam Pratyaksha Avagamam Dharmyam Susukam Kartumavyayam. The literal translation goes, I shall now declare to you who does not cavil the greatest secret, the knowledge combined with experience, having known this, thou shalt be free from evil. Rajavidya Rajaguhyam Pavitram Idamuttamam Pratyaksha Avagamam Dharmyam Susukam Kartumavyayam. This sacred secret, royal knowledge, royal secret, preserved under this Kalpavriksha, Gupta Kailasa, I am revealing and sharing with all of you this three is the goal. You achieving the state of Sadashiva, you functioning in the space of Sadashiva, you operating in the space of Sadashiva and manifesting the powers of Sadashiva. I'll use all the signs available in Sanatana Hindu Dharma, the science of spiritual alchemy products, the science of spiritual alchemy process, teachings, techniques, initiations, and ultimately now Aushada itself, Mani, Mantra, Aushada, all the methods and methodologies. I tell you, if you have enrolled for, understand, this is the essence. If you have enrolled for associate degree in Science of Inner Awakening, you know whatever is available as Hinduism now on the planet Earth, experientially. Whatever Sanatana Hindu Dharma is left to the Kali Yuga on the planet Earth, whatever remains Now, I'll give you essence of all that in this one program. Even though it looks like too big promise, I'll make it into reality, including Bhagashastra classes you will have. You are going to have live Bhagashastra classes and literally everything I'm sharing with the world, I'll be sharing with you all. Actually, I've decided to give this program initially as preparation for Mahasadashivoham. Now I'm not going to stop with it. I'm going to offer this program regularly, continuously, because I have decided through some method, I wanted everything I have revealed, put in one place through one program and shared with the whole world. I decided I am going to use this platform, associate degree in Science of Inner Awakening. Actually, the caption for this program, all of Hinduism, Alpha to Omega. All of Hinduism, Alpha to Omega. All of Hinduism, Alpha to Omega, experiential. And literally this will be the complete works of Paramahamsa Nityananda. Whatever I have spoken and written, the whole essence I will collect and share it with you all through this one program. I really wanted a platform from which to share this whole thing. Now I have decided, and this platform is being introduced. You will have live sessions with me and Mahasadashivoham processes, special inner awakening processes, Sadashivoham sessions, Nityananda Yoga sessions, initiation into power of depth dimension, special manifesting Shaktis sessions, and Aushadha process sessions. Everything I have revealed to the world in one program. And I know for sure I have left many things without uttering due to lack of time. All that included. Anything I uttered from the time I started speaking and which I have mentioned and not mentioned here, all that essence is going to be shared with this one program, Associate Degree in Science of Inner Awakening. This is the program through which I am going to share it, and I welcome everyone for the grand feast of Sanatana Hindu Dharma. The whole Sanatana Hindu Dharma in the poetic language of Upanishadic rishis, with the authority of Sadashiva's command and inimitable live style of Paramahamsa Nityananda. This is the description of this program. And I will also be sending you all through email some of the privately recorded sessions which I conduct in Courtyard or for the close Adinavasis. If I am describing some of the important truths which I may not be able to open live immediately, but I will record them and email it to you guys. So it's almost like you living in my courtyard and learning whatever was revealed in the past too. Not just whatever is getting revealed in the present, whatever I have revealed in the past too. So you can enjoy them. Ultimately, my commitment with you all, that I am responsible for all of you manifesting the state of Sadashiva, means experiencing, living the state of Sadashiva and operating from the space of Sadashiva and manifesting powers of Sadashiva from wherever you are physically. My commitment with you, this is the most powerful initiation. I give you my commitment. With this commitment, I start the initiation. I'll be continuously available, teaching you in waking state and dream state both. Understand? Please understand. I commit with you all. Within next 11 days, everyone who has registered for this program, I will conduct at least one session for you in your dream. At least one session. Then you will know the initiation has happened. This is my commitment to prove that I have initiated you and you are initiated. The process has started working. So this is the introduction to Associate Degree in Science of Inner Awakening. Within 11 days, from today within 11 days, I commit with you the first at least one session in your dream. Which you will remember. Understand? You may not remember the whole teachings, but you will remember at least essence of the teachings I shared with you and that you had the session with me. That vivid session, this dream session is the proof that you are initiated and the session has started. This is the proof that process has started between you and me. We are working together. That's the proof. And I also want to tell you, we do still have room for students. Anybody wants to join, you can join. From the day you register and start the program, within 11 days I commit with you one session in the dream. Because you need a proof that initiation is started. And I am a person. I look at your doubt not in a defensive way, but in a sympathetic way. I look at your doubts with sympathy, not with anger. Understand? When you doubt my words, I look at you with sympathy and care, not with anger or violence. When I see you having doubts, I stretch myself and take the responsibility to complete your doubt. I know you may have a doubts. How can this be equivalent to physical initiation? How can this be? We need initiation for the growth to happen. How can this be? How can, without initiation, I can achieve the state and space and powers? I tell you, one class in dream is the proof that you are initiated. So we will have many classes in Zoom, two-way video conferencing, but at least one class in dream. I think this is the unique way of teaching. And many sessions in waking state, few sessions in dream state, few sessions in deep sleep state, some sessions in Turiya state, and eternal sessions in Turyatita state. So this is the introduction to the science of inner awakening. This is the introduction to associate degree of science of inner awakening. And mark my words, from today, within next 11 days, at least one session in your dream, which you will remember after waking up. You will remember the essence of the teachings I gave you, and you will remember you had a session with me in the dream. And if you have incompletions, I'll be removing them, and the dream may be like a nightmare. You will wake up, but it will not be torturing, don't worry. It will be a sweet nightmare. Sweet dream which wakes you up from all sleep. And today is 17th September. Before 28th September, everyone, all of you who are attending the initiation today, the introduction today, will have at least one session in dream. If somebody registers tomorrow, within that 11 days, they will have one session in the dream. This is the scale with which you can understand initiation has happened. And we are working together. I think that's all. I have said whatever I want to say. I think for introduction, this is enough. And we will start our regular sessions. The timings and details will be announced. And the dream session is going to be real fun. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.